Maria has had 10 sheets of paper. So I'm going to draw 10 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 10 pieces of paper here. She cuts some of them into 5 parts each. Needs to be 5 parts, and only some of them. Okay, after that, Maria has 22 pieces in total. How many sheets did she cut? Okay, so we need to figure out how many sheets she cut, because only some of them were cut, right? But eventually the 10 sheets became 22 sheets, right? So what we'll do is cut the first one into 5. That'll give me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Still not equal to 22. So let's cut another one into 5. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, let's cut another one because because 22 is more than 18. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Voila. So there were 3 sheets that Maria cut. Now, this is one way of doing it. Another way could be that you just thought that, okay, well, I need to go closer to 22. If I look at the skip counting or count bys of 5, the closest I can get is 15, and I'm left with 7 sheets. And then to have that 15, I'm cutting 3 sheets, right? 3 plus the 7 that I'm missing is equal to 10. That means I need to cut 1, 2, and 3 sheets. And that still gives you the answer. So there are 2 ways you can do this.